DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana and I know my hair looks crazy. I just finished washing out my deep conditioner. If you didn't check out the deep conditioner that I used, please check my latest video. I did use Mish Beauty Peppermint Candy Cane deep conditioner and yeah, my hair is great. But today we are here because I am using an OG in the gang. I wasn't intrigued by this brand whatsoever, but Black Friday came around. Let me just tell you what we're using. I am using the oldie, the old school Kinky Curly Not Today, and I'm using the Kinky Curly Custard. Pair this together for a wash and go combo. Now you know how I feel about doing a wash and go with only a leave-in and a gel, well, custard at this point, well, it's a styling gel, whatever. A leave-in and a gel. I'm very terrified. I hope I don't get dry hair, and I'm really tempted to put something else in my hair, but I'm not going to do it for the sake of this video. It's going to be my honest thoughts about it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into this video. I just finished putting my hair into 5 sections actually, because you already know I need my bang. So as you know, I am going to apply the leave-in all over. Yes, I did use this leave-in before. As you can see, it was a mustache. I just didn't record it because I didn't have the gel, but now I have the gel. Now I can actually talk about it. So let me go get some gloves and start the application process. Alright, so we're gonna start with the bag. As per usual, you want to make sure you split your section. I am so nervous. I am truly nervous. Alright, so let's see the product consistency. See, it's brand new. Didn't even open it. So I like the leave-in smell better. It smells like flowers. This one, I don't know. It smells like honey and something else. As you could tell, like, it is an older product. It doesn't have a lot of like those nice flowery scents. But yeah, so let's just check out the curl definition. Okay. So we are going to add some more water. You know, slimy. Get those roots. It's going on with ease. Whoa, y'all saw that? Okay. Got product on my face. Okay. Okay, not too shabby, not too shabby. I ain't mad at it. That's y'all saw that definitely. Wow. All right, I think I just need to add this a little bit more. I don't want it to flake, but I want to make sure that it's on. Wow. Wow. Like, I have to lean in so you guys can see it. Wow. And I didn't even shingle. Let me just for the sake of what I always do, I'm not gonna do too much because it's already like, wow. Okay. I'm like really hyped right now. This is like me being truly hyped. I'm truly hyped. Let's try that again. You saw that. Grab some more. Okay. Dripping everywhere. It is foaming, which is weird. Can you see my hands? It is foaming, which I think is very strange. I'm getting my Demon brush just to help distribute it. I don't know what's that foaming. I honestly don't need to shingle. I'm not going to shingle because you could just see. I think we may have just did something. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna continue the rest so you can just watch me do that. The definition, look. shocked. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Alright, so this is it. The front is just a tad bit tricky, only because it's my looser texture in the front. Getting a definition in the front is really hard, so that's why I'm going over like little pieces, because I already know what to do. Alright, so this is the finish. Well, not the finished product, but this is the how my hair looks after applying the gel all over. Now again, I am just a little bit afraid of the front, but it's gonna be okay. But my curls are divine. Let's take a look. So I'm going to sit underneath my dryer. I use about a half a jar. Yeah, I use about a half a jar. It's like, you just see, I use that much there. So, you know, not too shabby for 8 ounces. I am noticing that 8 ounces don't really last for my hair these days. But yeah, I'm going to sit underneath the dryer and come back with the finished product. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just finished drying my hair from my wash and go featuring Kinky Curly. And let's just get into this. Like, the definition is insane. I have so much clumping. I could separate, but I'm not going to separate now because I need this to last all week, so as the days go on. But like, sorry, I got my headphones in, but it looks so good. I did stretch it just a teeny bit because I did have some parts that were still wet. But like, check out this definition. Like, it looks so good. And Kinky Curly, hello. And my hair is moisturized. I really thought my hair was going to be dry, but it is not dry. Look at this. I can like separate this. Oh my god, this is like so amazing. Look at that. I have another one here. Like, it's so crazy. Like, this definition is so good. Hands down, this right here, I mean, I used this before as a regular leave-in. Now I see it at its maximum potential, and this definitely goes with the Kinky Curly Custard, because I really thought my hair was going to be hard and dry, but my hair is really moisturized. It's a nice strong hold. I am shocked at how much hold it is. Look at, it's crazy. So yes, I did pick this up at Target. It was $11.99. I will list down below other places that you could pick this up. The Kinky Curly, now today I did get this at Sally's, and it was 50% off all stylers. I think this was originally $14. I highly recommend this product. It is only 8 ounces. I use more than half in the jar, so yeah, probably just one more wash and go I can use with this. This cannot go to waste. Like, definitely staples inside of my collection. I would definitely go out and rebuy these over and over again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will post a video or some type of clips to see how long this definition actually lasts in my hair. So just make sure you follow me at Kinks and Curls. The link is down below in the description box, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, so this is day 1. I banned my wash and go by Kinky Curly last night into 5 sections. I put these in 2 big twists in the front, and then the back right here. Have 4 ponytail bands on my head just to stretch it. So this is day 1. Definition is definitely amazing. So I will pull you up on day 2 so you can see. Alright. Hey, so this is day 2 hair, and it looks so good. It's still bouncing. This is like the most that my hair has ever like bounced in a wash and go in a very long time. It looks so good. I'm so pleased with this wash and go definition. Still 1,000. Yeah, so I will come back with day 3 tomorrow. Hey, so this is day 3 of my hair. It is now Wednesday, and every single curl is still there. Every single curl is still there. No frizz whatsoever. Still got the bounce. Okay, still got the bounce. So Kinky Curly is definitely winning. All right, I'll pick you up on day 4. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you how my hair looks when I take off the bonnet. So I have 2 twists here, ponytail here, you know, my little broccoli, you know, that's what I call it. So I just take out the back and its bands. You can see the curl definition is definitely still there. This Kinky Curly gel. Listen. My hair is still moisturized. I did not add any more product to my hair. So I will be back tomorrow to show you day 5. Show you the back. Alright, so we have made it to the end of the week. Today is Friday. This is day 5 here. Well, I did my hair on Sunday, so we want to say day 6. I don't know, 5, 6, whatever it is. The definition is still there. I am flaking some on my shirt. But that's, I guess, because I didn't add anything to my hair. Not another moisturizer. I didn't add any more gel. I didn't add any more leave-in. I didn't even retwist my hair. I just kept the front like 2 big twists just so I can like keep it like shrunken, because if not, these are going to fall like all the way down here, to be completely honest. But yes, this is day 5, 6 hair, whatever. It lasts me through the entire week. I did not put my hair up in a puff. There was no need to. My hair looks amazing. And this weekend is wash day. It is definitely wash day this weekend, and I am in love with this. I can definitely say if I'm going away on vacation and I want to wear my natural hair, I already know like the products that can last me while I'm away is my Kinky Curly products, because I didn't have to refresh a thing, okay, a thing. Now I don't know how it will last with a cribbing, I don't know, but so yes, I highly do recommend you picking up these products. You can see it lasts me all week. I did not need to refresh my hair, guys, like whatsoever. Did not need to retwist. The definition is still there. The flakes are not really bothering me because, you know, they're really small. But yeah, all week, guys. Highly recommend these products. Pick them up in Target, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.